Question number 2. Karma is asking, what is the best number of colorways to make for a style, best economically and best to be attractive to the customer? Do clients find products more appealing if they have more or less colorways? Stay till the end of the video to get a no BS answer to this question that you will not get anywhere else. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. In Fashion Business Mastermind, we focus on one fashion product, one fashion invention that propels your fashion brand into success. Once you've grown sales of your first product to 25 units per day on average, you may add a second product to your portfolio. Having said that, your fashion invention may have variations. These variations are color and print variations. So coming back to your question where you're asking how many colors should you have, you may have several colors for your fashion invention. It means that your sales target of 25 units per day on average is across all colors. Now, back to your question. The best number of colorways to start with is 1. Yeah, sounds weird, but it is 1. Once you have sufficient sales of your product in this first color, and once you have enough revenue to invest into the second color, this is the moment when you develop the very same product in the second color variation. And prior to that, you ask your buyers what color would they want to have. You are not coming up with a random color you like yourself. You are going to your audience, to your buyers, those people who bought already, not those people who didn't buy, to those people who bought already, and you ask them what color do they want to have next. Based on the feedback of your buyers, you develop the second color. You sell the second color to people who have bought the first color. Your advertisement is still running towards your first color, and you upsell your existing buyers for the second color. Imagine your first color is yellow. So your advertisement for the first item to people who've never bought your product before, this advertisement runs for the yellow product. And at the moment that they have bought the yellow product and you already have a black variation, you upsell them for the black variation. So you are selling one color at a time. At the moment when you will have several colors, you've developed several colors of your product already, at this moment you may upsell your people who have purchased the first product with a package of different colors of the second product. Depends on what product you have, but most of the time it is possible. Say, for example, you are selling belts in different colors, or you are selling socks in different colors, or you are selling t-shirts in different colors. You can make a package where all those other different colors are all together, and you can upsell your client after they've bought the first yellow one for the whole package of all other colors. Another option for the upsell after you sold the first color would be to sell to your clients a monthly membership, or a membership where they will receive a new color of your product with a certain frequency. It can be a monthly frequency, bi-monthly, or quarterly frequency. It's up to you, depending on how your brand is structured, depending on how much time do you need to sell enough items to finance the next variation. A strategy very popular among Fashion Business Mastermind students is a creative membership strategy, where you allow your clients to create the new variations of your product. So your clients become the co-creators and ambassadors of your brand. This is a very strong strategy. To sum up the answer to your question, you do one color at a time. You want your clients to purchase all color variations that you have, and you sell these color variations one at a time or in bundles. But you start with one color. If you need help with your fashion business and support by like-minded brand owners, join the 14 days free trial in Fashion Business Mastermind, a mentorship program that helps you quit fear, gain focus, and streamline your fashion business. Link in bio or in description under this video.